Oh, it's been absolutely wonderful. I think it's the first time that we have silo government. Everyone is very intense in their own department, and therefore they don't really reach out like they should. So this particular exercise at during this time with NACo's resilience workshop has allowed us to reach across the aisle, so to speak, to learn the importance of everything that each department does and to enhance that by working together and trying to make us a county that is more resilient.